Hi, boys and girls. For this learning activity, you are going to need this worksheet, a pencil, a glue stick, and scissors. If you don't have those items, pause the video and get them now. Great job. Now, as we get started, I want you to put your name up here at the top of the paper. Pause the video and do that now. All right, are you ready to get started? If the directions say, listen for the beginning sound and cut and glue the blends. So we're going to start by cutting out the blends. I want you to take your scissors and cut on the dotted line here, and then cut the individual blends out by cutting on the dotted lines. Pause the video while you do that. Do you have all the blends cut out? Perfect. Now we're ready to start finding where they go and glue them down. You're going to look for the blend that you hear at the beginning of the word scarf. This is a scarf. So find the blend that you hear at the beginning of scarf and glue it in this box. Pause the video while you do that. You did a really good job. Now you're going to find the rest of the blends that go at the beginning of each of these words. I will give you the rest of the words and then you will go ahead and complete the paper. Snowflake, sled, star, some more, sweets. When you're all done with your paper, make sure you take a picture and send it to your teacher on Seesaw.